Hey everybody, it's Kyle from Anthem with today's Anthem Tech Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to be discussing the order of operation for running Arc Genesis when you have powered bass driver sections on your speakers in your system. A good example of this would be the step up from my Founder 100Fs to the Founder 120H, which has 3 powered 8-inch bass drivers with a 1000-watt amplifier on board that has Anthem Room Correction Genesis built in. In that case, if I added 120Hs into my system, I would then have 120H speakers, 2 XR13s, and my AVM90. So in order of operation, you'll always want to start with the powered bass drivers. So start by running Anthem Room Correction on the Founder 120H pair. You can stereo pair them together, that way you can sweep them as a stereo pair. Run Anthem Room Correction on the critical low frequencies happening below 500 Hz in your Founder 120H. That way, when we get to the eventual point where we run Anthem Room Correction on the AVM90, we're really maximizing the calibration by taking the heavy lifting off of the Founder 120H bass driver section. Once you finish running Arc Genesis and uploading it to the Founder 120H, you would independently run it on each XR13. So in my case, my left XR13 first, and then my right XR13, or whichever one is easiest for you at home. Once you finish that process, then you'll run Anthem Room Correction Genesis on the AVM90. That way we've already done all the heavy lifting in the critical low frequencies on the powered bass driver section of the speakers and on the powered subwoofers in the room with Anthem Room Correction on board to maximize the calibration north of those frequencies through the rest of the speakers in your home system.